Experiment impact test on ISART specimen. Aim to determine the impact strength of the given material using the ISART impact test. Apparatus required: impact testing machine, specimen, vernier caliper or scale, the specimen fitter. The figure shows impact testing machine. It has three parts. First one, specimen fitter. The next, force applying hammer. Third one, the force indicator. Impact test is used for observing the mechanics that a material will exhibit when it experiences a shock loading that causes the specimen to immediately deform or fracture and rupture completely. The impact is applied by a weight of striking hammer 18.7 kg. The impact capacity of the hammer is 164 joule. The least count of capacity of scale is noted as 2 joule. The swing diameter of the hammer 1600 mm. The angle of hammer before striking is 90 degree, and the distance between the supports in a specimen fitter is 40 mm. That is, the specimen is kept as a cantilever beam loading. Striking velocity of hammer is 5.6 meter per second. Specimen size used in the ISART specimen is 75 into 10 into 10 mm. And the type of notch is V notch. The angle of notch is 45 degree. Depth of the notch is 2 mm. The specimen in the specimen, the notch is not at the center of the specimen. Procedure: first, raise the pendulum weight and lock it, and release the trigger and allow the pendulum to swing. So this activates the pointer to move in the dial. Note down the friction energy absorbed by the bearing. Raise the pendulum weight again and lock it in position. Then place the specimen in between the simple anvil support, keeping the U notch or V notch in the direction opposite to the striking edge of the hammer arrangement. Then release the trigger and allow the pendulum to strike the specimen at its midpoint. Note down the energy spent in the breaking or bending the specimen. Then tabulate the observation. The impact strength of the specimen is calculated by the energy absorbed divided by the cross-sectional area of the specimen. Observation and tabulation. The material used is steel specimen. The size of the specimen is 10 mm in 10 mm into 75 mm. The area of the specimen is 10 mm in 10 mm. The energy absorbed by the ISART specimen is 60 joule. So the impact strength is calculated by using the above formula, 0.6 Newton per mm square. Results: the impact strength of the given specimen, that is ISART specimen, is 0.6 joule per mm square.